Dear friends, let's take a look at our fresh wind casement window. The frame depth of fresh air window is 70 mm, and the heat insulation strip is 33 mm nylon PA66 heat insulation strip. The window sash can realize ventilation, and PM 2.5 haze can be filtered through this air filtering device. Ventilation can be realized when the window sash is closed. This window can install tilt and turn hardware. An external screen can be installed outside. Window sash can tilt and turn. The brand of hardware is CMECH of USA. The sash thickness is 70 mm. The insulation strip is 24 mm, and the insulation coefficient can reach 1.3 in terms of thermal insulation performance. The design of the fresh wind window can realize a large fixed panel in the middle and large openable sash in the left. The thickness of fresh wind sash is 80.5 mm, which is a child fall prevention design, and the width here is 143 mm.